Still stamping AC outdoor panels manually? Large panels, high tonnage. Workers can't lift or position accurately. The heavy press swings open and shut at maximum risk. 3 pits of heavy stamping. First, large heavy panels. One person can't lift, 2 are unstable. Second, slow heavy press cycles mean long manual weight, low efficiency. Third, dual station presses have 2 dies. One worker can't attend both. One side runs while the other waits. This line uses 4 robots with 2 dual station heavy presses, dual gripper 2-pick-2 place. Grabs 2 parts at once, places 1 left and 1 right. Efficient even at slow heavy press cycle. 3 cores. First, dual gripper 2-pick-2 place. One action serves 2 stations, cycle utilization doubled. Second, 2 dual station presses with 4 dies. For robots cover 4 die positions. Each owns 1 station, no collisions. Third, modular design. Feeders and grippers built to standard interfaces. Changeover as fast as swapping batteries. Watch the demo. Dual gripper grabs 2 panels from the stack simultaneously, moves to the dual station press, places left into the left die and right into the right die. After stamping, removes both at once, places into the outfeed. One action serves 2 stations. By the numbers. Manual dual station stamping has only 50% effective time, both sides alternating weights. Automated runs at 85% effective time. Dual gripper serves 2 stations per action. Changeover in 2 hours. Capacity gain over 40%. This solution suits slow cycle heavy multi-process stamping. Refrigerator doors, washer front panels, AC outdoor panels, and other large sheet metal parts all fit. Dual gripper is the efficiency tool for large panel slow cycle stamping. The core of heavy stamping isn't press tonnage. It's whether both sides of the dual station press run simultaneously. Are both sides of your dual station press running?